Hi guys, today we're making a tropical, crowd-pleasing dessert, a super easy Piña Colada Dump Cake. This dump and bake dessert is perfect for summertime parties, potlucks, or anytime you want that island flavor. Start by draining a can of pineapple chunks, and next drain a jar of maraschino cherries, removing the stems if needed. Set those items aside. In a large bowl, blend together 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 2 eggs, and 1/4 cup grapeseed oil, but coconut oil may be substituted. Oh, and let's not forget 1 teaspoon of coconut extract, or you can use vanilla. Blend until all the ingredients are well combined, making sure to scrape down the bowl as needed. Next, add 1 cup of flaked sweetened coconut and those drained cherries and pineapple bits from before. Stir all that well until thoroughly combined. Now pour all that batter into a sprayed 9x13 baking dish and stick this into an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45-50 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once the cake is completely cool, dust a good bit of confectioner's sugar over the top. If you like this video, and I hope that you do, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Get the full printable recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.